Welcome all of you. Myself Dani Ganesh, lecturer in Moya Education Societies, Moya Institute of Pharmacy, Sonai. In this lecture, we discuss about the analeptics drug or CNS stimulants. Learning outcome of lecture. After the completion of this lecture, the learner will able to understand definition, classification of analeptics agent, drug profile of analeptic agent, content of lecture, definition, classification of analeptic agent, drug profile of analeptic agent. So definition of analeptic agent, a drug which are increase the activity of various subunit or part of central nervous system. That's mean brain or spinal cord. That agent is called as a analeptics or CNS stimulants. Example caffeine, theophylline. Introduction of analeptics. So it is a type of drug that increase the level of certain chemical in the brain and increase the alertness, attention, energy, and physical activity. CNS stimulants also raise the blood pressure, increase the heart rate and breathing rate. Analeptic are central nervous system stimulants that include wide variety of medication used in treatment of depression, attention deficient hyperactivity disorder, and respiratory depression. The primary medical use of this drug is an anesthetic recovery tool or treatment of emergency respiratory depression. Common uses of analeptic agent. So first use is it is used as an analeptic agent. Reversal the anesthesia which are induce the respiratory depression. So it is used in treatment of respiratory depression and which are normalize the respiration rate. Anorexins suppress the appetite. Through the suppression of appetite, control the central in the brain. Then it is used in treatment of attention deficient hyperreactivity disorder. It can be treated by stimulating the area in the brain responsible for mental alertness and attentiveness. Then it is used in treatment of necrolepsy. Necrolepsy means sleep disorder, excessive sleepiness, sleep paralysis, hallucination that can be treated by increase the mental alertness. Then it is also used in treatment of various types of migraine and headache. So caffeine co-administrate with the other drug used in treatment of various types of headache and migraine. Classification of analeptic agent. So first class is a xanthine alkaloid. Example caffeine, theophylline, theobromine, aminophylline. Next class is nicotinic acid derivatives. Example nicotinamide or coramine. Next class is synthetic drugs. Example bimigryl, picrotoxin, lepidazole. And last class is miscellaneous drug. Example cocaine, dextroamphetamine, atropine, lobeline, strychnine. Then we discuss the drug profile of some important analeptic agent. In this first one is a caffeine. So this is the structure of caffeine. In this structure containing xanthine heterocyclic ring which are the basic nucleus of the caffeine. So IPAC name of caffeine is 137 trimethyl xanthine. Physical property, surface nature and color. It is a white crystalline powder. Taste and odor. It is a bitter in taste and odorless compound. Solubility, sparingly soluble in water, slightly soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage condition. It is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses. It is used as a CNS and respiratory stimulant agent. Then it is used as a weak diuretics agent. Used as an analgesic agent. Then combination of ergotamine used in treatment of migraine. Caffeine also used in treatment of headache occur due to the certain type of neuralgia pain. Official preparation caffeine hydrate tablet, caffeine citrate tablet, caffeine iodide elixir, aspirin caffeine tablet, caffeine and sodium benzoate injection, brand name Anacin, Coldrene, Powerine. Next analeptic agent is theophylline. So the structure of theophylline which contains Xanthine heterocyclic ring is the basic nucleus of the theophylline. So IUPAC name is a 1,3-dimethyl xanthine. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a white crystalline powder. Taste and odor. It is a bitter in taste and odorless compound. Solubility: slightly soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Storage and stability condition: it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: so it is used as a CNS and respiratory stimulant agent. It is used as a weak diuretics agent. It is used as a potent bronchodilator. So it is used in treatment of asthma. It is used as a cardiac stimulant. Official preparation: theophylline tablet, theophylline injection, marasalil and theophylline injection, theophylline hydrate tablet. Brand name: The Well, Derisip. Next analeptic agent is nicotinamide or coramine. This is the structure of nicotinamide. IUPAC name is N,N-diethyl nicotinamide. Physical properties: surface nature and color. So it is a pale yellow liquid. Odor: aromatic in odor. Solubility: it is soluble in water and alcohol. Stability and storage condition: so it is affected by light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used as a CNS and respiratory stimulant agent. Then it is used in treatment of CNS depression, used in treatment of respiratory depression, or it overcome the respiratory depression. It is used in treatment of circulatory failure. It is used to improve wakefulness in patients that have a narcolepsy. Official preparation: nicotinamide injection. Brand name: Nic-ethyl coramine. Next analeptic agent is dextroamphetamine. The structure of dextroamphetamine. IUPAC name: 1-phenylpropane 2-amine. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a white or pale yellow powder. Taste and odor: it is a bitter in taste and odorless compound. Solubility: it is slightly soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage condition: so it is affected by light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: so it is used as a CNS and respiratory stimulant agent. It is used in treatment of attention deficient hyperreactivity disorder. It is used in treatment of narcolepsy, which are the sleep disorder that can be treated by using this drug. Then it is used in treatment of depression and obesity. Official preparation: dextroamphetamine sulfate tablet, dextroamphetamine sulfate capsule, dextroamphetamine suspension. Brand name: Dexedrine ZD. So in this lecture we discuss about the what is meant by analeptic agent, definition, classification of analeptic agent, common uses of analeptic agent, and drug profile of some analeptic agent. Thank you.